Hey guys, this is Brandon with Mountains of Sound Home Inspection. Wanted to show you a little situation we got here in this house. We're in a 1930s house in Everett, a little far for us, but we're happy to go where we are needed. What we got here is a pan under this drain in the sink, laundry room sink. This is almost always a dead giveaway, and if you look closely in this back corner, you've got a little water splashing. You can see it's coming down pretty regularly, a few seconds. But really what we're looking at, if you come out top here, looking at the faucet, you can see that this guy, an older faucet obviously on the hot water side, he's got a little bit of a drip coming at him. Some water right there dripping.